Hey all you guitar players, welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. Before I break things down, let's go ahead and review this exercise for those of you who didn't get a chance to see it on TikTok. This exercise is really all about giving you a few additional voicing options to grab when you're in need of an E7. Let's keep things really simple and use an example where somebody's just playing an E7 chord over and over like this. Now you have some options as far as chords you can play on top of this to add some flavor. Obviously there are a lot of scenarios where these chords are applicable. I just wanted to give you a really simple example for context. So for these chord shapes, which are all played on the G, B, and high E strings, we have 4, 3, 4, we have 9, 9, 10, and we have 13, 12, 10. If you're newer to these shapes, moving through them might be difficult, so go as slow as you need to, but as soon as you start feeling comfortable, I think this would be a good one to add a click track to. Other than that, just take it easy and enjoy this really simple and effective warm-up, and we'll see you next time.